Welcome back to Car Reviews Updates. Today, we're diving into something truly special, an American classic transformed into the ultimate luxury ride. This is the 2025 GMC Savana Limousine, a vehicle that takes the traditional workhorse van and turns it into a high-end transportation experience. Whether you're looking for VIP travel, corporate luxury, or just an over-the-top way to make an entrance, this limousine version of the Savana is built to impress. At first glance, you'll notice the bold, extended body with a commanding presence on the road. GMC has maintained the iconic boxy look of the Savana, but this limo version adds a longer wheelbase, premium chrome accents, and sleek LED lighting that enhances its elegance. The tinted panoramic windows ensure maximum privacy while still giving the vehicle a modern, stylish appeal. Large, polished alloy wheels add to the premium aesthetic, making it clear that this is no ordinary van. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by first-class luxury. The spacious interior is designed with high-end materials, from soft leather seating to ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. The seating layout is designed for comfort and socializing, with plush captain's chairs, a wraparound sofa, and even a built-in bar area. Whether it's a business meeting on the move or a night out with friends, the 2025 Savana Limousine delivers the ultimate experience. Technology is also a highlight, with a state-of-the-art entertainment system featuring multiple large screens, premium surround sound, and wireless connectivity. Passengers can control lighting, climate, and media with a touchscreen interface, making every ride as seamless as possible. USB ports, wireless charging, and even a Wi-Fi hotspot ensure that connectivity is never an issue. Under the hood, the Savana Limo retains its strong performance with a 6.6-liter V8 engine, delivering smooth yet powerful driving dynamics. It offers enough power to carry its extended frame without compromising on performance. A modernized suspension system enhances ride comfort, ensuring a smooth experience even on long journeys. Safety is not overlooked, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and parking assist to make maneuvering this long vehicle easier. GMC has designed this limo to be not only luxurious but also secure for all passengers. So, if you're in the market for a premium limousine experience with American muscle and style, the 2025 GMC Savana Limousine is a top contender. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive car reviews. See you in the next one.